Hello and welcome to Wheel Wonderland. Great to have you here for a brand new unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, and hit that like button. And now, enjoy the video.
Kicking things off with the McLaren P1, finished in a sleek light blue, this hypercar is all about performance and design. From track-ready curves to aggressive wheels, this casting absolutely delivers. Audi RS2 Avant. Next up, the '94 Audi RS2 Avant, a legend born from a partnership between Audi and Porsche. This white wagon may look subtle, but it packed a serious punch in the 90s. A sleeper on the streets, and now a treasure in your Hot Wheels collection. Toyota Supra, 90s. Sliding into third is the Toyota Supra, finished in metallic green with gold wheels. This casting pays tribute to one of Japan's most iconic sports cars, made famous by tuning culture and racing legends. Ford GT, 2017. Here's a modern American icon, the 2017 Ford GT. With its aerodynamic body, bold red center stripe, and sleek white finish, this car is built for the track. It's aggressive, refined, and one of the sharpest castings in the lineup, a true favorite for supercar lovers. Porsche 911 Rallye. Time to go off-road with the Porsche 911 Rallye. This rugged version of the classic 911 comes equipped with a roof rack, rally lights, and dirt-ready detailing. It's the perfect mix of vintage Porsche styling and adventurous spirit, ready to conquer any terrain, Hot Wheels style. Up next is everyone's favorite beagle, Snoopy. Riding on top of his iconic red doghouse, this fun casting from the Peanuts series brings a wave of nostalgia. It's playful, instantly recognizable, and always a hit with both collectors and casual fans. Seven TV series Batmobile. Now it's time for a true legend, the classic TV series Batmobile. With its sleek black body, red trim, and iconic fins, this casting captures the superhero style of the original show. It's not just a car, it's a piece of pop culture history on four wheels. Pedal driver treasure hunt. Next up, the pedal driver, and this one's special. It's a treasure hunt. This fun fantasy casting looks like a tiny go-kart with oversized attitude, bright red body, black seat, and gold 5-spoke wheels. You'll spot the subtle flame logo that marks it as a treasure hunt, making it a rare and exciting find for any Hot Wheels collector. '75 Chevy Blazer Custom. Rolling in next is the '75 Chevy Blazer Custom, a true off-road classic. Lifted, rugged, and finished in bold black with red accents, this casting brings vintage truck power with modern Hot Wheels flair. Whether you're into trail-ready beasts or classic 4x4s, this Blazer is built to impress. Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Finishing strong with the Nissan Skyline GTR R33, a true icon of the JDM world. This silver beauty features clean lines, sporty wheels, and that unmistakable GTR presence. It's fast, it's legendary, and it's a must-have for every collector who loves Japanese performance. BMW M3 Touring. And last but definitely not least, the BMW M3 Touring. This red wagon combines everyday practicality with true M-Power performance. With gold wheels, racing livery, and aggressive styling, it's a bold and sporty addition to the Hot Wheels lineup, perfect for collectors who love speed with versatility. Thanks for joining us today here at Wheel Wonderland. Which car was your favorite from today's unboxing? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next Hot Wheels adventure. More epic unboxings, races, and wind tunnel tests are just around the corner. Stay tuned and keep collecting.